How's it going, guys? It's 6:30 in the morning and just woke up. Me and my wife are here and we're just gonna open a pack real quick. So let's open a couple of packs, guys. Let's see what we can get. Alright, let's go for that Mega Alakazam with the spoons. Sorry guys, I'm kinda tired still. So let's go. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's just go with the top one. Face Collide, first one. There's barcode. And good morning to everyone. Alright, let's go. Down. There's your code for you guys. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Let's go right in the front. Alright. We got Mega Catcher. Raise again. And we got Women's Myrrh. Minnesota, Ballaby, Larvita, Coughing, Lugia Break! Oh my god!
What?
And then what's that? Oh my god! We just got a Lugia Break English! Oh my god! Baby, what's that noise? Do you hear that noise? Shh, shh. Oh my. What's that noise? Hold on, guys. Hold on. Come on, baby. What's that noise? Come here. Come here, what's that noise? Shh, shh, shh. Come here, quick. Come here, get there quick. Go see, shh, shh. Who's out there, huh? Oh my god. Baby, who was that? Shh, 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 shh. Alright guys, hold on. I gotta go handle this.